India's space journey enters a new era today. Hyderabad-based private space company Skyroot Aerospace is launched Vikram 1 rocket on mission Agman from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. The launch marks the first ever orbital launch attempt by an Indian private company using a launch vehicle developed outside the government space program. It is being seen as a landmark moment for India's rapidly growing commercial space sector. The 7-story tall Vikram 1 launch vehicle was successfully completed all final checks ahead of liftoff. The rocket attempts to place multiple technology payloads into a 450-kilometer low Earth orbit at a 60-degree inclination, demonstrating the capabilities of India's private launch ecosystem. Built with an all-carbon composite structure, Vikram 1 can carry payloads weighing up to 350 kilograms. The launch vehicle is powered by indigenously developed propulsion system, including advanced 3D printed rocket engines, high-thrust solid rocket motors, showcasing cutting-edge engineering by the Indian private sector. PM Modi extended his best wishes and hailed the team of Skyroot Aerospace ahead of the historic maiden orbital launch of Vikram 1. Calling the mission a historic new frontier for India's space journey, Prime Minister Narendra Modi commended the team on the eve of the historic mission, the first time an Indian private company attempted to place satellite into the orbit using an independently developed launch vehicle. Now, the mission has opened a new chapter for India's commercial space ambitions, strengthening the country's position in the global space economy and paving the way for greater private participation in the future of space missions.
आसमान में नए पौधे गाड़ दिए हैं और दूसरा जमीन में भी उस रूट्स को आपने मजबूती दी है जो देश के नौजवानों को आगे आने की प्रेरणा देगी। और मुझे ये सफलता के लिए तो आनंद होना ही होना था, लेकिन आप लोगों ने जिस कमिटमेंट के साथ मेहनत की और मैं जब आपके इंफिनिटी कैंपस के उद्घाटन के लिए आपके साथ जुड़ा था, मेरे तो मन करता था मैं पहुंचूं, लेकिन पहुंच नहीं पाया, लेकिन आपके साथ वीडियो से जुड़ा था। और आज भी मैं इस पूरे लॉन्चिंग कार्यक्रम को देख रहा था। कब से मेरा ध्यान जो गया, आपकी पूरी टीम 25-30 साल की दिखती है, ये मुझे और खुशी दे रही थी। शुरू में आपके चेहरे पर चिंता भी नजर आती थी, लेकिन फिर मैं देख रहा था कि खुशियों से माहौल भर गया। मैं आपको, आपकी पूरी टीम को इस महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय के लिए और महत्वपूर्ण सफलता के लिए
ISRO for optimizing this collaboration, and most of all, above all, congratulations and thanks, many thanks Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for making this possible, because it is possible only because 5 years back Prime Minister Modi took a heroic decision, a bold decision, a courageous decision, an out-of-box decision to open the space sector to the private players, to unlock the space sector. And had he not done that, we would not have been witnessing this event today, because this launch wouldn't have happened and the Skyroot wouldn't have been there. And what a remarkable, revolutionary quantum leap it has been over the last 5 or 6 years, ever since the new space reforms were brought in by Prime Minister Modi. From just a modest economy, we are today more than $9 billion US space economy, hoping to be 40-45 billion in less than a decade. From just one digit or a single digit space startup, we are over 400 space startups and a unicorn in the form of Skyroot, the hero of the day,